Hey guys, it's Robbie here, and this is FrekiFitWolf. It's Sunday, so it means it's time for another week's weigh-in. Alright, hi guys, how are you all doing? A little bit different today. I've got the headset going on because I can't talk very loud. And if you are not part of my Instagram or Facebook group, you might not know, but I've been sick this whole week, and I'm starting to feel better, but I still can't project my voice very loud. So that's why this is going on. I'm also in my room. My roommate is home, and there might be a buzzing going on because I have the window unit air conditioner going on because the central air has broken, and it's like 80 something degrees in the apartment. So sorry about all that. Anyway, hopefully you guys had a great week. My week, just to be straight up honest, was horrible. Like I said, I got sick. It started happening Sunday night, and Monday I went to urgent care. I was already debating on it because I've had this rash thing going on. I don't know if you guys can even see, but like all through my torso, my thighs, my upper arms, there's this rash going on. I don't know what it is. It doesn't hurt. It doesn't itch. It's just red splotches, patches, whatever. Red things all over my body. But then I started feeling sick, and so I went to urgent care on Monday, and they did do an x-ray. I had fluid on my lungs. I had an ear infection. She was very concerned after seeing the x-ray that it could have been COVID-19, and especially with the minor fever, blah, blah, blah. So she did the test for that, and the test that she wanted to do was the one that takes a while to get back because it's more accurate than the ones that are instantaneous. It's actually 30% more accurate than the rapid results ones. So I went ahead, did that, and just proceeded to wait. Like, went home, I got Z-Pak, told me to continue taking my Benadryl, continue taking Advil or Tylenol, and she gave me a prescription for inhaler. But that was all she gave me, and I used all that, and I still do not feel 100%, and I did get the results yesterday, and I do not have COVID, so that's good. But at the same time, I'm wondering what is going on. Like I said, I am feeling better because I'm actually up and talking. It's just a general clogginess going on, and my hands, like through here, all hurt on both hands. My feet, the same areas. My shoulders, my back, my wrists. Like if I try to, say do a push-up, which I'm not trying right now, but if I were to, I couldn't, because if I bend my wrists there, it hurts really, really bad. My shoulders and my back muscles all feel that same way. Like just moving around just kind of sucks right now. I don't know what's going on. If I'm not feeling better by tomorrow, then I'm going to go back to urgent care. I am feeling a lot better than I was 2 days ago. Yesterday I started feeling better, and like my general manager pointed out, like maybe mentally I was feeling even worse because there was this cloud hanging over my head that what if it's COVID? So maybe that's a factor, and maybe that'll help make me get better, because typically I get over things super quick. I do not linger when I'm sick. I get pneumonia like every year, and typically 3 days and I'm over it. So it's really weird for this to be going on for so long, and this rash is starting to make me nervous, like what else it could be going on. But yeah, so anyway, that was my week, and the worst part was the entire time my appetite has been hardcore. And there's Selena. Give me 1 second. Sorry about that. Selena decided she wanted to come in and visit me. But yeah, so all week my appetite has been very, very high. And in my head, I'm like, well, hey, like, I could probably eat a little bit more because my body's fighting off an infection or something. So I did. Plus, I just didn't have the energy to cook something healthy or go get something healthy. I did have, plenty of soup, but also plenty of other things, and I kind of just gave into cravings. Yeah. So between that and not feeling well enough to move, like I doubt it I even got like 500 steps a day. The weigh-in this week's been horrible. I expected a gain. I did not expect as much as I gained. I'm not holding on to anger or disappointment. I understand what happened, and I'll just work to get it back off again. So weigh-in numbers, I am now 318.6 pounds. So that means I gained 11.8 pounds in 1 week. Almost 12 pounds. I'm still down 58.2 pounds. So I'm still glad for that. But I'm not happy about a 12-pound gain in 1 week. And I don't know. I'm trying to think maybe, because of sore muscles, those typically are retaining water and can weigh more. But I can even see it in my face how swollen I am. Granted, a lot of this is because I need to trim all this, and my clippers are at work, so I haven't been able to do that, and I haven't had the energy to anyway. But yeah, so even if it is just maybe some of it was, extra retained water because of my whole body being in pain right now. I don't know. But all I can do is keep going forward and work to get it back off. And that's all you really can do. That's, my advice when it's a tiny gain. So that has to be my advice when it is a large gain. 12 pounds. 11.8. I should say 11.8, right? All right, so yeah. So that is that. Also, I'm extra sad because I was supposed to be camping this weekend. I should be out, in the middle of the woods right now, maybe waking up and getting ready to go in a pool. Instead, I'm still feeling sick, and I am doing a weigh-in video where I gained almost 12 pounds. But yeah, so anyway, sorry, not super peppy, not super happy right now, but I'm not feeling well, and I am sorry. But yeah, so that was my week. Hopefully your guys' weeks went a lot better. Hopefully your weigh-ins went well, and if not, even if you had a gain, hopefully not as big as me, but even if you did, hopefully you know that you can get right back on and lose it again. I mean, I've lost it before. I can lose it again. So can you guys. All right, so that's all I got because I'm starting to get tired again, and I am going to go lay down. So I will talk to you guys later if I feel up to it. Hopefully Tuesday I'll put out another video. If not, I'll just keep you guys updated. So thank you. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and bye.